Now let's develop the portfolio page. So I'll go to the portfolio, edit page, and now edit with Elementor. And here I'll get the main container in row direction, and I'll add an image in box. Image box here. Now add an image. Let's add this image. Okay. So change the hiring like membership LMS solutions for professional skills. So now let's style it, and we don't need this description because this is a case study. We just add the image of the website, and then we will add the what we did for that, like what is the platform is actually. And after that there should be a link, like the link we can add there two options, like we can go in the, here you can see, here we have the option to add the link, and in this way the whole box will be icon box, image box will be linked to this whatever the link we will add here. Or the second option is read more, but for the read more button, that is option is not available by default. So we can do it with the a small custom code like anchor tag, and then we will href and equal to href equal to, we will add a link here, and we will style it in a way, make it font size will be around 15 pixels, semicolon, then font weight will be around 700, and it will be learn more, and we will close the anchor tag. So this is done. Here in the statics or number sign you can add the URL of your project or case study. So let's style it. Now we'll go to the style tab, and here we have the option to make it align left, or we can do it in a way like the image alignment. We can make it on the right side, at the top, on the left side, and we will take it on the top. So, and the overall image box will align to the left, or we can call it start. Image and title spacing, let's make it 0, and content and title spacing, let's make it 0. Let's go to the image now. Here we have the image size. I'll remove the 30%, that is default. So I'll make it its border should be 15, border radius of this image, we added 15, and then we have, okay, so by making the image on its default size, it's covering the huge space. So let's go to the advanced and give it a custom width of 31 pixels %, because we need 3 column layout. So 33% will take 1, and the other 2 here you can see they will also take 31%. So let's go and do some more styling in the style. We'll go to the content. Here we'll style the title. Let's make it 18 pixels, and after that 18 pixels, and yes, I think 18 pixels is enough, and it by default it has 700, so we'll take it as default. Okay, now we have the the styling is completed, I think. Let's close it and replicate. Here you can see. In the same way, I'll go here and change the image to, after this I'll use this image, and we can change this title like clarity, confidence, a plan that actually works. So let's make this title, and in the same way I'll go for this one. I'll take this image, and then we can change it smart data, better decision, sorry, it should be double S, better decision, stronger growth. So let's duplicate it, and you can see it does not go to the next row. So the reason is that here we can see in this section main container we need to make it wrap. Now you can see that. Okay, so I added all the case studies. Here you can see there are 8. Let's publish it and let's see it on the front end. Here you can see these are the case studies or portfolio page. So what we can do, let's suppose we are offering more than one services. Let's go to the service. Here you can see we are offering more than one services, like right now here we mention around 6. So in that case, if we'll go to the portfolio page and we'll keep on adding all the case studies one by one, then in that case this page will be enlonged, and the user will keep on scrolling and there will be a mess, like, because all the services are mixed up. So to avoid this issue, like, let's suppose there is these websites are on WordPress, and a few out of them they are on Go High Level, and few on WooCommerce, and then there could be some possible that we have the mobile apps and these things. So everything will be mixed up, and the user will have not a good experience, and maybe he will leave the website, or he will lose interest in the services or in that vendor. So that to solve this issue, we do, we go here, let's remove it, and let's take another column container, and in that we use tabs. Here you can see. Now for the each service we can make a tab. Let's say this is the first service that we use, WordPress, and the second service that we can use, the Go High Level, and the third service that we can add, Full Stack, and then fourth service could be Flutter apps, and it could be possible that the fifth service is React Native. Now what it will do, that when I'll click on the WordPress, all the case studies related to WordPress only that will be available here. And when I'll click on the go high level, all the services that are available, all the case studies that we did with the go high level will be displayed here. So now user can access the specific case study very easily, because all the things are organized in a proper way. And by using tabs, the page will not be long, that user will keep on scrolling and scrolling, and that is a very bad experience. So this is that's why we use the tab. So instead of using like full stack and then Flutter apps and React Native apps, so I'll use, for showing you, just 3 options. Like the third one, that we can use mobile apps. So now exactly same way we will just add a container. Here you can see, and now we will add image box. Here you can see. Now what I'll do, I'll add this image and I'll make it membership LMS platform for professional skills. So now we can remove this. You can use an anchor tag, learn more, and we can add an arrow as well. Yes, arrow, and we will close this anchor tag here, and we will style a little bit. href, and then we can add a link here. After that we will have style is equal to, let's make it font size equal to 15 pixels, and then font weight could be 700. So let's go here in the style, make it left. Okay, I copied the style of the previously we did. So here you can see, just like we made in the previous container, so this is the same container. We just need to add the content here. You can add whatever you want, you can add here. You can add the headings, image, text editor, even a video and divider button, whatever you want you can add in this container. This is because this is a normal container. Just we have these are the tabs that we have here. You can see from here we can control these tabs. And there is another possibility that you can add the icons to these tabs as well. Let's go to the icon library. Here you can see WordPress, and we can use this, insert it, and let's go for the go high level. So I think go high level icon is not available in the icon library GHL. Yes, no. So chart, because it's icon something like this, so we can use that. And for the mobile we can go here and we can add the mobile icon is added, and I added some content as well in these tabs. Here you can see. Let's see on the front end how it looks. We'll go here. Here you can see. This is looking good. This is well organized case studies. You can see for each and every category or service you can create a tab here. Okay, and with the tabs your services for the user experience will be very good. Like when the user will come on your website, he is not interested in WordPress and mobile application, so he will just direct go to the go high level and see the exact case studies. So let's go back and do some styling on it and explore more options that we have. So content is added. Direction. This is the tab direction, like where you want to see these tabs. You can add these tabs at the bottom. Here you can see, and you can make use these tabs as a sidebar. Here you can see. Let's here you can see these are this. Let's make it at the top. Here you can see these are the sidebars. Or you can, what you can do, you can make it on the right sidebar, but we will take it as the top, on the top, because this is looking good. And let's see what we have option. Like we have this option, alignment, content alignment. Content is, this is the content of this these tabs. And then we have some, let's go to the styling. Yes, the tab gap. So the gaps between the tabs you can select from this. So we will keep it as default. And distance from content. So yes, we should have some more distance from here. You can see now. Yes, this is a decent distance. Let's make it 30. Okay, so let's publish and let's see on the front end. Yes, this distance is very good. So let's go back, and we have some more options. Like from here we can add a background color to this whole section. Let's see how it looks. Here you can see, okay, this is the tab background color. So the active, we will keep them default, but we can make it for the active. For the normal we can make it white, and for the hover we can make it accent color, and for the active we will use this color. Okay, and what we can do for the normals, we can add a background, we can use a border, and we will use dashed border. Here you can see, and its color should be blue, and weight should be 2. So here you can see that now this is looking good. Let's see on the front end how it looks. So yes, now this is good. Okay, let's see what are the more options we have. Yes, we can add a border radius as well. Let's say we add an 8 pixel border. Let's publish and let's see how it looks. Yes, I think border is looking fine, so we will use the border. And then padding, we can do that. And another thing, if we are using styling tab, then we can go to the icons, and here for these icons we can change their positions. Like icon on the top, here you can see. Let's see how it looks on the front end. Yes, I think on the top they are looking good, and then we can use them after. Below, right, that we have default. So I think default, we will keep the default, and we can increase or decrease this, reduce the size of the icons. Like if we want to use it 22, let's see how it looks on the front end. I think this is a decent size. so we will keep it. Now spacing between the icon and text, here you can see we can adjust that as well, but we will keep it default. Oops. Okay, so let's see what is the more options we have. Okay, we can change the color of icons as well. Let's make it this color. Here you can see for the normal, and for the hover this will be white, and for the active let's see how it looks. Yes, this way, but no, we will keep it white for the active. So here you can see. Let's go to the titles, and we can increase or decrease the size of the titles as well, but already its size is good, so we'll not change it. And you can increase the weight as well. Let's make it this way. Let's see on the front end. Yes, the weight is good. I think we will keep the weight. And then we have the content options. Content is the body area. Let me show you. You will understand now. Let's add a color. This here you can see. And we don't need this color. And you can add a border as well. Here you can see. But this is not looking good, so we will not keep this as well. So I think our portfolio page is completed. Here you can see. And we will add a top and bottom padding. Top padding, unlock it, bottom 80 and top 80. Let's see on the front end. Yes, this is looking good. This is looking awesome. Okay, we can remove this. Like, let's go page setting, and we will make it from default to Elementor full width. Here you can see. Now let's add a top border, top hero section. So we'll go to the background. I'll take the image from here. Let's use this image. Let's add some styling, position center, and no repeat, cover. Let's give a minimum height. Let's go here and we will give it a height in viewport, and that will be 45. Now we will add an icon. Title will be case studies, but you can name it portfolio or whatever you want, you can name it. So we'll go here and keep it white, and we will add now icon list we will add here, and here we will use home, and we don't need this icon, and we don't need this text, and we need an icon here that will be right angle, and here you can see. Now we don't need this icon, and we will make it case studies, or okay, because our page name is portfolio, so we will use portfolio for this as well. Content portfolio. Okay, let's go here, style it, text color should be white, and it should be something like 18, and its weight should be 700. Let's go to the icon. Its color should be white, and we will make it inline. Let's adjust the gap spacing. Yes, this is the enough spacing. Let's go in the main container and set up its layout. I think its size should be increased. Right now it is 35, so I will make it 45. Let's publish. Let's see on the front end. Yes, this is looking awesome. Bottom padding good, top padding good, and then this is the hero section, and everything is fine.